Normally in Gujarat, 13, 14, 15 June means people used to go to Mount Abu, Kulu Manali, and those who afford can go to Switzerland. But I started to go to the rural area. And at that time we had not Jyotigram scheme. When first time I started, there was no Jyotigram scheme, not electricity was not available when I first took the office. Even though I stayed in the rural area for 3 days, then whole cabinet started, then all IAS officers started. My 700% team every year go to the rural area. I am going to each and every family, take the girls to the school, and within 4 years, 100% enrollment is there. There was a 49% dropout. 49% dropout. Within 4 years, it is only 3% dropout. And in 2010, when Gujarat is going to celebrate its 50th year Swarnim Jayanti, my target is to reach a 0 dropout ratio. It's a miracle in our country. It's a miracle in our country. Friends, in our country, Human Development Index, India stands 127th number in the world. 127th number. Can you imagine? When we are talking about the 21st century, it's India's century, and this is the reality. And because we are not providing the proper service to the humankind, we are talking about infant mortality rate. Galipati to Rashtrapati, each and everyone is talking about this infant mortality rate. But have you heard about the solution for that? Gujarat gave a solution. I have a scheme called Chiranjeev. In this Chiranjeev scheme, my target is that I want to number up the institutional delivery. I want to save the mothers. I want to save the child. I want to save the pregnant women. I took initiative, and the first time in the history of India, that public-private partnership for healthcare sector. I did a MOU with the doctors, and I gave a proposal to the doctors that if you will treat a below poverty line pregnant woman, and if you will save her life, I will pay you this much. You will be surprised, in our country, there are 6 lakhs villages are there. 6 lakh villages are there. In 6 lakh villages, we do not have a 2,000 gynecologist doctors. Can you imagine, friends? This is the reality of 50 years of independence. In 6 lakhs villages, we don't have a 2,000 gynecologist doctors. And because of this reason, this poor pregnant woman, they lose their life. I tried to find out a solution through this Chiranjeev scheme. And I made a MOU with the doctors. Today, only in Gujarat, because of this my scheme, in Gujarat I have 834 gynecologist doctors with me, those who are serving for the rural people. I pay 200 rupees traveling allowance from a poor family to go to the hospital. A pregnant woman can. I pay 200 rupees per day to a woman who is staying in the hospital for 3 days, 4 days. I pay 200 rupees to his attendants who is there to stay with her. I pay again 200 rupees to go back to his family. And I paid around about 2,000 rupees to the doctor for an institutional delivery. I started this scheme in last year. When I started this scheme, up till now, some 1,58,000 women got this opportunity to take this benefit of this Chiranjeev scheme. If this scheme was not there, at least 6,000 children, mother have been died. But because of this scheme, only one mother died. And only 60 children. Can you say how many lives the government can save, one scheme can save? When electricity comes, it's a news. The same situation was there in my state. People used to come to me and they were asking me, Modi ji, at least शाम को खाना खाते समय तो बिजली मिले ऐसा करो. This is what they want to telling me. At least dinner time give us electricity. I took the initiative. You can go to, nowadays RTI is rules and regulations are, if you are interested, you can go to my office and ask some questions. You'll be surprised. For 6 months, my whole government bureaucratic system, in writing, they opposed my scheme. They said it is not possible. Chief Minister, you don't have experience. When I announced this scheme in the assembly, the opposition leader, who was once a Chief Minister, personally he came to meet me. He said, Modi ji, you are a newcomer, you don't have experience of the administration. It is impossible, you can't do it. It is impossible for you. Who guided you? As your friend, I am telling you, this will be a hurdle for you in your political career. As friendly he was advising me. When he finished his advice, I said, yes, I know it's very hard to do. But people have selected me just to do the hard work. Friends, now I want to tell you the miracle. Whatever I do in a very term-bound friend. I decided within 1,000 days I want to do this scheme implemented. My whole system was not responding positively. I took the initiative. I went to the cooperative sector. I called some cooperative peoples. I asked them to give me a 10 crore rupees. You see, what is the situation of the Chief Minister in this our system? I requested to the cooperative sector, give us a 10 crore rupees. The cooperative people, they were connected with the BJP, they gave me the 10 crore rupees, and I implemented this scheme in 45 villages in the first round. And the results, it was a miracle. Then the whole system followed what I said. And then, in 1,000 days, when we started this project, now you try to understand how this government machinery can work. In 1,000 days, to achieve this 24-hour, 3-phase uninterrupted power supply, the Jyotigram scheme, country knows about only Nandigram.